Paso muchas noches pensándote, yo no sé ni cómo ni cuándo fue, pero solo sé que yo recordé cómo te lo hacía y aquella vez. Si yo no puedo seguir solo, pero sé que te boté, de mi vida te boté.
Today with another video. I just want to say how thankful I am for every single one of my prima donnas. Thanksgiving, it just reminds me of how important the people you love are to you and just how much you really need to keep your family and your loved ones close because life is too short. I don't want to get all emotional and stuff, but I guess as I'm getting older, I'm just more and more thankful for Thanksgiving, not just about the food, you know what I'm saying? Even though a bitch loves to eat, let me tell you, okay? In today's video, you guys, we're going to be doing this Thanksgiving glam. I did a poll on Instagram and I asked you guys if you guys want to see something colorful and festive or if you guys want to see something sultry and smoky. And I don't even know why I bothered to ask you guys because you guys are no help. It was like a 50-50 tie. So I had to like work my brain and think of color but yet smoky. So it was a little challenge, but I think this look came out absolutely perfect, you guys. It's sexy, it's still glam, but it has a peep of color coming through. I'm actually gonna wear olive with this eye because olive actually brings out orange. I decided to wear this cardigan. This cardigan, if anybody is interested, I'll leave it down in the description box. Yeah, I'm actually doing a try-on haul, so you guys are going to see this in probably my next video. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Happy Thanksgiving, prima donnas. Shout out to everybody who's been riding with your girl for the past few Thanksgivings because, you know, we've been on YouTube for a while. So thank you all for watching, and until next time, and yeah, let's get this look poppin' though. This look, bitch. This look though. Okay, girl. Let a bitch try me, boom, every time. I really need a D, I need a all a bad bitch need a son. I got pants in the coop, but she not the. Okay, so jumping into voiceover, you guys, I'm going to start off with my skin prep, and I'm going to be using this aloe vera gel. I've been loving this lately. This is by 7 Minerals, and it is like this jelly type of consistency. Obviously, it's a gel, but it's been working wonders for my skin, you guys. So I will definitely be using this in a lot more videos upcoming because I've been loving this product so much, and it doesn't even leave like a sticky residue like most gels. So it is bomb. So next I'm going to be doing my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, and I'm going to be quickly filling in my brows, you guys. I was so hyped in this video. Like, yes, Thanksgiving is one of my favorite holidays because I love eating. I am skinny mini, but I love to eat. Another thing I wanted to mention also, like the whole vibe in this video, I'm like trying to bring back the bloopers and like the old Leslie videos. So let me know if you guys like straight to the point videos or you guys like the bloopers and stuff. So anyway, I'm going to be jumping into the eyes. I'm using the Morphe 35M palette. I love this palette. It's my second time using it, and I'm going to be taking that first shade and I'm going to be working this into my transition with a big fluffy brush. Thank you. Next, now we're going to be using that burnt orange shade in the palette. This shade is stunning, you guys, and I'm taking that right on the same brush, and this is going to be like the main color to the crease. So you want to really blow out this orange but not work it too high as we did that first transition shade. And as you guys can see, I'm like really buffing out my outer corners, but if it does get too high, always keep a clean blending brush on hand. So now I'm going to be taking that like chocolatey brown color. I'm going to be taking this more on a smaller crease brush, and I'm just going to be like literally like just blowing it out all over my lid, working it up into that orange but not covering the orange. If you get me, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I know what I'm saying. It's early in the morning, you guys. I never ever do voiceovers this early, so if I'm talking about nonsense right now, you know what's up. So I did just add a little bit more of that orange to the crease because it did get lost. And now I'm going to move on to my liner. This is the Maybelline 24-hour gel liner. Oh my god, girl. I haven't been crazy about a pencil black liner in a minute. This shit is black. It is intense. It plays no games, okay? So I'm just going to line my lash line, and I am going to take that matte black that's in the 35M palette as well on a small smudger brush. And I'm just going to basically smudge out the liner. Like, super simple, you guys. And I loved it, this liner, because it is like a gel consistency. It smudged out so bomb. Okay, cute. So now we're gonna move on to my highlights. So I did lay down that first shade from the Morphe palette, but to really amp it up, I took this glittery shade from the Dose of Colors Francation palettes, which is the Desi and Katie collection, and it's kind of like that champagne pressed glitter. It is so beautiful, you guys, and it just added like a very subtle hint of glitter to the eye because everything else is so matte. So it was real cute. Real cute. So anyway, I went and I popped on some lashes, and I'm gonna move on to the face, you guys. So I'm taking my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. It's crazy because once I get into like a go-to face routine, I will keep using the same face products over and over and over. Like, it is so annoying, but I need to like break out of that habit. Like, I'll try new eye products, but once I love my face products, bitch, they're here to stay. So right now I've been loving the Too Faced Born This Way. So anyway, I'm cream contouring with my LA Girl Pro Conceal. You guys seen me do this a bunch of times already, so this is nothing new. And I tried contouring my nose today, girl. I don't know, like, I guess since I already have a pointy nose, I don't know if it's necessary. But anyway, moving on to the multi-scope concealer from Too Faced as well. I've been loving this. Like, the whole combo of the Born This Way collection, bomb, bitch, bomb. So to set that concealer, I'm going to be taking my Dermablend. You guys know I love Dermablend. Oh my god, Dermablend actually just came out with like a banana type of powder. I haven't tried it yet, but let me know if you guys want me to use that in a video. I definitely want to try it. So to set the rest of the face, I'm going to be taking my Sephora Micro Smooth powder, and I'm just going to lightly take this on a big fluffy brush. You do not want to pick up a lot of powder because it will leave you super matte, and I don't want to be super matte. But I am going to take out that like white flashback. Like, okay, hold on, pause. Dermablend does not give you flashback, but I do this with every baking powder. I have to like set it with a face powder, so that's why I do not bake anymore. I just lightly press it in because I'm gonna like use my face powder to go over it. I hope I'm making sense. But anyway, now I'm just gonna bronze with my MAC Give Me Sun, you guys, to just pop those cheekbones. Ooh, girl, I love contouring. Like, it just gives life to my face. Like, I live for it. So anyway, now I'm gonna be moving on to the eyes again. Back to the eyes, Leslie, thank you. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking that same exact eyeliner, and I'm gonna be running that in my waterline. I usually cut this part out because it's like super weird to look at, but I want you to see how black is that damn liner, girl. It is black. Look at that. Oof, yes. So I wanted to show you guys the difference between smudging it out. So you want to smudge out your lower lash line as well with black shadow. And now I am going to smoke out the black with the orange that I used up top on my crease. So yeah. And oh my gosh, you guys, these eyes were so beautiful. So for blush, I'm taking my collab blush that I use probably like in every video. Next. And now I'm going to be highlighting with Dose of Colors. Oh, this is new. Fuego highlighter. Once again from the Desi Katie collection. I love this highlighter, you guys. So I wanted to mention, because my eyes were like, you know, blown out and matte, I did want to do the skin super dewy. So that's why you see me highlighting up top and my forehead, because I really want to overall give like a nice glow to the skin. And I'm also going to highlight my nose because, you know, bitch needs to be beaming, okay? I want Thanksgiving that you could like see me glowing from across the table, you know? Like, yes, that needs to be us. So now I'm gonna finish up with my lips, you guys, and I forgot what color this is. It's a new lip liner, so I'll leave it down in the description box. So yeah, I'm just gonna line my lips really quickly, and then this is actually a cool tone liner. So I didn't want a warm tone because I want to bring out that chocolate in the lid, but I am gonna tap a little bit of this brighter orange lipstick in the center just to bring out the crease. You know what I'm saying? Yes, I did that. So now I'm gonna take my Morphe spray just to set our face. And then lastly, you guys, I took that same eyeshadow from the Dose of Colors palette and I pressed it on my cheeks, you guys, and it just gave this very subtle glitter moment. It was gorgeous. If you haven't used this to like lightly press on your cheeks, you guys, you're gonna gag. Like, it's bomb. Don't overdo it though, because bitch, we don't want glitter everywhere. But anyway, this is the completed look. I hope you guys have a really great Thanksgiving. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, guys, bye.